In 2024, non-small cell lung cancer (SCLC) re-emerged as the top disease indication by clinical trial volume, with 240 industry-sponsored trials completed globally. This underscores an SCLC's strategic importance in oncology development pipelines. The trial surge reflects growing unmet medical needs, increasing biomarker stratification capabilities, and the integration of advanced clinical modalities and adaptive trial designs. This report analyzes the evolving geodemographic distribution of an SCLC trials, key stratification trends, validated biomarkers, innovative late-stage modalities, and the contract research organizations cross-deploying adaptive designs to accelerate development. The report concludes with strategic outlook and recommendations for key stakeholders. Geodemographic trial concentration in 2024. Asia-Pacific accounted for the largest share of NSCLC trials, approximately 30% of global trial activity. This dominance is primarily due to China's investment in biotech innovation and regulatory acceleration via mechanisms such as conditional approvals and real-world evidence initiatives. North America followed with around 28% of NSCLC trials, driven by robust FDA support for biomarker-driven development and well-established oncology trial networks. Western Europe contributed approximately 20% of trials, benefiting from academic industry collaborations, cross-border studies, and centralized health registries. The remaining 18% of trials were distributed across Latin America, the Middle East and North Africa MENA, and emerging clinical hubs. 2. Top 3 stratifications in NSCLC trials. NSCLC trials are increasingly segmenting patient cohorts based on 3 primary factors: EGFR mutation status, PD-L1 expression levels, and histological subtype. EGFR mutation status, epidermal growth factor receptor EGFR mutation subtypes, including common sensitizing mutations, resistance mutations such as T790M, and rare exon 20 insertions. This allows for precise therapeutic targeting and enrollment into specific tyrosine kinase inhibitor TKI arms. PD-L1 expression levels, programmed death ligand 1 PD-L1 expression, is a common stratification factor in immunotherapy trials. Expression levels are used to guide eligibility and dosing in trials evaluating checkpoint inhibitors or combinations. This helps correlate response and durability with baseline immune activation. Histological subtype NSCLC includes adenocarcinoma, squamous cell carcinoma, and large cell carcinoma. Each subtype responds differently to chemotherapy, targeted therapies, and immunotherapies. Separating patients by histology optimizes outcome analysis and regulatory alignment. 3. Key biomarkers guiding NSCLC trials. Biomarker utilization in NSCLC trials continues to expand, driving both therapeutic and diagnostic innovation. The most significant biomarker remains EGFR, which drives multiple trial arms focused on resistance mechanisms and next-generation inhibitors. Other key biomarkers include ALK, ROS1, and RET fusions, which represent high-impact targets for fusion-directed TKIs. KRAS G12C is an emerging biomarker targeted by covalent inhibitors such as sotorasib and adagrasib. PD-L1 expression continues to shape immunotherapy development, and MET exon 14 skipping mutations have led to a wave of MET inhibitor trials. Notably, basket trials are increasingly co-enrolling patients across multiple biomarkers using multiplex genomic panels for top 3 late-stage modalities in NSCLC development. Antibody-drug conjugates ADCs. ADCs targeting HER3 and TRO2 are gaining traction in second and third-line NSCLC settings. These agents offer tumor-specific delivery of cytotoxic payloads. Key biopharmaceutical companies have prioritized ADC platforms in global trials, often paired with biomarker pre-screening. Bispecific antibodies, bispecific formats targeting dual oncogenic or immune pathways, such as EGFR, CMET or PD-L1 for 1BB are being deployed to overcome resistance to monotherapies. These agents hold promise in both treatment-naive and relapsed populations where resistance heterogeneity is high. TIL therapy and cell-based platforms. Tumor-infiltrating lymphocyte TIL therapy is advancing in NSCLC patients refractory to checkpoint blockade. Several trials are assessing safety and durability of responses using autologous expanded T cells. Chinese and US-based biotechs are leading this modality with regional regulatory engagement on manufacturing scalability and site accreditation. 𝗕𝗫𝗣𝗅𝗡𝗏 using adaptive trial designs in an NSCLC Parexel has emerged as a leader in ADCs bridging studies, utilizing Bayesian models for adaptive dose expansion. Their platform for real-world data integration allows for more efficient recruitment of biomarker-positive patients and improves trial agility across sites. IQVIA specializes in modular trial designs that enable seamless phase 1, 2, 3 progression. Their immunotherapy studies in an NSCLC feature rolling arm designs where new cohorts are added or modified based on interim analysis of immunogenicity and progression-free survival. IQVIA leverages AI-driven platforms for adaptive randomization, early futility assessments, and predictive modeling. In biomarker-guided NSCLC trials, their technology platform accelerates recruitment and allows for quicker no-go decisions based on early efficacy signals. IQVIA has particular expertise in managing large multi-arm umbrella studies. VI Strategic Outlook. The 2020 for NSCLC clinical trial surge signifies a strategic pivot from generalized treatment toward precision oncology frameworks. Biomarker-led enrollment, decentralized clinical infrastructure, and AI-enhanced adaptive trial designs are now foundational. For investors, late-phase ADC and bispecific antibody programs in biomarker-defined populations offer near-term growth opportunities. Biotech developers should embed biomarker stratification early and co-design protocols with adaptive CROs to ensure scalability and regulatory alignment. For CROs and technology providers, data interoperability, machine learning integration, and patient-centric trial logistics are critical differentiators. This report provides an executive overview of the rapidly evolving NSCLC clinical trial landscape. For more detailed insights, please visit our website. Thank you for watching.